news, back, show, back, news, back.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Don here from Nova Spirit Tech, and recently I went to a New Year's party over at a friend of mine's, and he had one of those Amazon Echo devices, and those are really cool. It's actually a voice service, much like OK Google and what do you call that, Siri, where you could like talk to it, ask questions, and interface with some devices and ask it to do stuff. After doing some research, I realized that one, they're really expensive. They're like about $180 a pop. The upside to it is that Amazon allows developers to develop devices for the Alexa voice service itself. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be creating our own Raspberry Echo. So, a couple of things that we're going to need before we get started is obviously the Raspberry Pi. Now, I'm pretty sure that this could go on any version of Raspberry Pi, the A, the B+, the Pi 2, and probably the 0. Next thing we're going to need is some sort of output, speakers or headphones or whatever you want to plug the thing into. Now, the hard part that we're going to run into is actually getting a capture device. The Raspberry Pi does not come with a mic input, so we're going to need some sort of device that could capture stuff. Basically.
Hello everybody, this is Rasmus here, and today I would like to show you my newest Raspberry Pi portable. So this one's kind of special because, as you can see, it's very tiny. It's built around the Raspberry Pi Zero, and it features the Adafruit 1.5-inch OLED display. But basically in this video I just want to show you kind of how it works and what it can do. So let's take a look at it. So while we're booting up here, I just want to show you once again just how small it is compared to a euro and a $0.25. And also here is a Game Boy Advance SP for comparison. As you can see, it's just a little bit smaller than the screen of the Game Boy Advance SP. So I'm just going to show you a couple of games on here, and then I'll show you how to connect it to the TV and how to connect a gamepad to it. And as you can see, unfortunately on the camera the screen looks very flickery, but when you see it in person it's really not flickery at all. It's just like a normal screen. But as you can see, we have the original Game Boy emulator, we have the Game Boy Advance, the Game Boy Color, the Nintendo 64,